Hey guys, Roman at CarTips. So have you ever wondered how to paint inside door jams? This video today talks all about it. Meanwhile, this guy's buffing. Oh yes, look at all that polish. It's gonna be a nice looking Civic right there. How do you paint inside a door jam? I got a great example for you right here. So this vehicle had a big dent right here and had a dent right here. So what you do is I went ahead and I have this all sanded down already, but you can see the bodywork, the body filler coming through, which is fine. A little bit is fine. But I go ahead and I take the door striker off and then the sensor here. I go ahead and I sand this whole thing down with 1500 all the way up here, all inside the door. So like when you close the door, how are you gonna get in there? So you open the door and then you sand this part down completely. I choose to wet sand with the 1500 grit, but you could dry sand, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now that I have the vehicle in the paint booth and just mask everything up that doesn't need to be painted, and then I'll start spraying. I'm not gonna show you the masking part because I have other tutorial videos on my channel, just look them up. But yeah, this one is just for spraying the interior, not the interior, the inside of the door jams on vehicles. I'm only gonna spray from here down to here. And this is where I'll make my blend with like some blending solvent, as well as up here. And that'll be blended in and polished. You won't be able to tell. And only right here will I be spraying some of the base coat, some actual, the silver color. So yeah. Simple and easy, just open the door, mask it up and spray it. There's no trick to it or anything. Okay, so the vehicle has been masked up and this is all that I had left exposed. Once again, blends over here, and I have this flap here, open flap. Just so there's no hard line when I stop with the clear. This gives me enough room to do like a blend with some blending solvent. Anyway, yeah, down here is where our base coat goes and then we kind of blend it out. And same down here as with the top, kind of left this blend open, so then when I'm done and ready to clear on my last coat, I'm gonna peel this back. And then there's more room for me to kind of blend it evenly, gently, gradually. Yeah, and then you just polish when it's all cured. But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. Yeah. So here we are. This is the Spark that I painted the other day inside the door jambs, and here is how it looks. I just went ahead and I installed this seal, as well as the striker and the door light switch. But yeah, this is how it looks now. Like I said, I applied the paint here and just blended to the top right there, and then down there. Now you can see the blend area here. I don't know if you can see, but this is where I have to polish, just this blending area, but it's not even very visible. And then same with up here. If anybody wondered how to paint inside door jambs, that's how it is. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. But see, now you close the door and now you just paint it as usual on the outside. So that's what I'm doing next. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this kind of content, subscribe for more stuff like this. It really helped my channel grow. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.